Enterprise spreadsheets hide a small nightmare, a 14-segment ledger dimension string, every row.
One typo per row, 10,000 rows. There goes the quarter. This is a small Next.js tool. Turns any spreadsheet into perfect dimension strings in the browser.
Drop a CSV or Excel file, up to 50 megabytes. It parses and shows 5 rows of preview. Drag each column onto its dimension station. Any slot can stay empty. A live preview shows the string assembling itself, hyphen by hyphen. A clean function strips every character that is not a letter, digit, space, dash, dot, or ampersand. The main account rides up front. Take the default ledger value or fall back to the department.
Every row pulls 2 tickets, transactional with the main account prefix, master data without.
Everything parses client-side. The spreadsheet never leaves your laptop. Both outputs download as CSV or Excel, straight from the browser. Plain stack, Next.js, TypeScript, PapaParse, SheetJS, hosted on Vercel. Stop hand-stitching ledger dimensions. Let the browser walk the line.